Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all safe and fine. Today I am sharing a recipe potul posto, that is parval in poppy seed paste. You can make it either gravy or dry. I like it dry. This is a very tasty dish which you can use for both dinner and lunch. Heat oil. We'll be using mustard oil for this recipe in a karai. Mustard oil gives this recipe the perfect taste and that sharpness which gives this dish an extra level of taste. We'll simmer the gas, and when the oil gets heated, we'll add the parvals. I've cut the parvals into half. Just give it a mix and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. The recipe is very simple with very little spices, but it tastes really amazing. So we'll just fry the parvals for some time before adding the spices. We'll just turn the parvals once so that it gets cooked on both the sides. Then we'll be adding the spices. We'll add salt as per taste. Then goes turmeric powder, about half teaspoon. Then we'll be adding sugar. Trust me, add sugar and this takes the dish to a next level. Mix well. This is the only spices we'll be using for the dish. Cover it and then let it cook for some time. The parval will release their own water, so at present no need to add extra water. This is the paste of poppy seeds which I have made. Soak the poppy seeds for 4 to 5 hours and then grind it in the mixer using little water. If you're in a hurry, you can soak the poppy seeds for 1 to 2 hours, but that time we'll be using warm water. Give it the sabzi a mix. Cover it again and let it cook. As these are my first videos, I won't say it's first, the second video, so many mistakes may be there, so hope you will forgive me for it. So I'm trying, so next videos I may get it a bit easier it will be easier for me in my upcoming videos. We'll let it cook for 5 minutes. This recipe hardly takes half an hour to cook, so no need of much time. This is the paste I have made with poppy seeds and adding a little bit of water. Now we will add the poppy seed paste into the parval. The parval have already released water, so no need to add water. Just a dash of water will be adding so that the masala get mixed with the parvals properly. Just a little bit of water. Give it a good mix. You can add chilies. I generally do not use much chili as my son doesn't like it when it's too spicy. Just a good mix. Check whether the parvals are done or not. It's almost done. Doesn't take much time, so when you are in a hurry, you can make this dish and it goes really well with white rice. Steamed rice, I mean. So the curry is almost ready. Few minutes more and it will be done. So that's the final mixing. You can keep it either in this way, but we prefer it a bit dry. The flame should be medium to low. So the curry is almost ready. That's the final mixing. See, the gravy has almost dried up and oil has started separating. So this time we'll put off the gas. There it goes. My yummy potul posto is ready for dinner. Hope you have liked my video. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet soon. Till then, good night and bye bye.